Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn, and today I'll show you how to change font size on your Kindle. So you're looking at Money Hacks, which is my own book, and I'm going to show you how to change font size. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go actually inside the book. So once you're inside the book, tap on the upper side of the book. So for example, anywhere right here. And then you're going to see AA. So if you click on it, so now you're going to see a few options. For example, themes, font, layout, and more. So if you click on font, which is the second option right here, then here you can see that these are default, and I'm using Kindle Basic, but it should be the same or similar for other versions of Kindle. So you can see the font is family. I'll just keep that, and the font size right now is 5, which I believe is the default. So if I change it, so I just click here, and you can see that the font is getting bigger. Click again, it's getting even bigger. So I'm just going to go back to 5, and then you see that there's another option which is like, make your font bold. So right now this option I didn't apply. So if I click here, then you can see that the font is getting bolder. This might come in handy for those who want to bold font or kind of a very visible font, but I just kept it not using it. So basically this is how you change font on your Kindle. For the next Kindle tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.